Kevin G, weather overview. Good evening, everybody. Very warm and humid conditions across the tri-state area tonight. We have had a very warm day, one of the warmest that we've had in recent weeks. Most of the reporting sites in August did not record a 90-degree day, all but one in Central Park, and today was it. And you can clearly see that off of the Weather Channel. And you can notice, actually, if you're looking at us, we're 92. But then look at the desert Southwest. It's all cool, and it's the opposite of what it usually is, and that's thanks to all this rain that's coming out of the tropical Pacific towards them. And it's been pumping in there for about a week and a half now, causing a lot of flooding in places that normally don't get it. And we look at our radar close to home. This is the showers and thunderstorms that are popping up over upstate New York towards Albany and north central Pennsylvania. These storms are not going to make it in here tonight. We are going to see some action tomorrow, but I'll tell you, it's looking a lot less severe than it could have been, and I'll show you why. When we look off in telecast.com where the actual frontal zone is, the front that's going to be bringing in much cooler fall-like temperatures for the weekend, it's actually slowed up over the last couple of days, so much so that even though we do get showers and thunderstorms, probably tomorrow evening into the overnight, not so much during the day, this front is not going to work in tandem with the jet stream the way it really could have to produce a severe weather outbreak. That was the worry earlier on in the week by the Weather Service and by myself. I put it in the first update there. But over the last few model cycles, it's just not there. The models are not, they're not showing as pronounced a severe weather outbreak due to those factors. So by 8 o'clock tomorrow, you can clearly see that the front has made progress towards the coast, and we are getting widespread showers and thunderstorms, but it's not a severe situation. We could see up to a half inch in some spots of rainfall, and it's desperately needed across the coastal zones. We've been over that. This AccuWeather graphic to me is overdone. I think that the parameters are not there for severe weather as much as they were earlier in the week. Now, as we go into Friday, the winds are going to pick up. You're going to notice a windy day, but the cold air waits until the nighttime to usher in. So it's windy and warm for Friday, and then when we get to Saturday, we have one of the cooler days that we've had in a while. This might even be overdone on Intellicast.com. A lot of places they're gonna struggle to make it out of the 60s. You're really gonna notice it. You're gonna have those high cumulus clouds that are always around during the crisp fall days. We really have a fall-like stretch coming up over the next 5 to 7 days. And aside from a passing shower on Friday, the big action is Thursday, and then not much rain-wise over the next 5 days. The tropics, as we thought, are starting to heat up. We have our first hurricane, Umberto. It is going harmlessly out to sea over the next couple of days. What a great graphic by the Hurricane Center, by the way. They've incorporated the satellite and the map and everything like that. It's beautiful. A lot of disturbed weather over the Gulf of Mexico. That is going to go into Mexico and South Texas over the next few days. Nothing really too terrible down there except for very heavy rains, but no high impact from wind whatsoever. And the tropics will heat up over the next few weeks, and that looks like it's surely happening already. Frequent updates on blogspot.com and terrifically talented tweets on Twitter at KevStorm NYC.